Responsibilities of father in a family. A father, more than just a name, more than just a role. He is the backbone of the family, a guiding light, a silent warrior who carries the weight of responsibilities with love and strength. But what truly defines a father? What are the pillars of his role in shaping a family? Let's explore the responsibilities of a father and the profound impact he has on his loved ones. A father's primary responsibilities go beyond providing. He ensures financial stability, offers emotional support, sets boundaries, and leads by example, shaping his children's values and future. His emotional presence is just as vital as his physical one. A father listens, reassures, and creates a safe space where his family feels heard and valued. Discipline and guidance are the stepping stones to a child's growth. A father teaches life skills, instills responsibility, and nurtures independence with love and wisdom. Financial security is a major pillar of fatherhood. By managing resources, planning for the future, and ensuring stability, he provides a strong foundation for his family's dreams. A father leads not just with words, but with actions. Through honesty, respect, and integrity, he teaches his children the values that shape their character. Parenting is a partnership. A father supports and co-parents, ensuring unity and love in the family, working together to raise happy, confident children. His role extends beyond the home by engaging with the community, supporting his children's activities, and setting an example of kindness and responsibility. He teaches them the value of connection. A father also nurtures his own growth, learning, evolving, and maintaining his well-being because a strong father builds a stronger family. His influence shapes not just one life, but generations to come. Through unwavering love and wisdom, he leaves behind a legacy of strength, values, and warmth. A father is not just someone who gives life, but someone who gives love, guidance, and strength. His sacrifices often go unnoticed, yet his impact is immeasurable. To every father, thank you for being the foundation, the protector, and the heart of the family. Your role is invaluable. Your love is irreplaceable.